Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure data management with Airtable, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding what Airtable is and its key functionalities. Sign up for an Airtable account if you haven't already. Once logged in, choose a template that fits your data management needs or start from scratch. Familiarize yourself with the Airtable interface, including the bases, tables, and views. Create a new base by selecting Add a Base from the Workspace dashboard. Name your base clearly to reflect its purpose. Inside your new base, create tables for different data categories. Define the fields in each table, specifying the type of data they will hold, such as text, number, or date. Utilize the primary field to create a unique identifier for each record. Add records to your tables by entering data manually or importing from external sources. Organize your data by using different views, such as grid, calendar, or gallery. Implement filters to streamline data display and focus on relevant information. Use sorting options to arrange your data according to specific criteria. Leverage the collaborative features by inviting team members to your base. Set permissions for team members based on their roles and responsibilities. Make use of Airtable's link record feature to establish relationships between tables. Employ formula fields to automate calculations and data processing. Schedule recurring tasks with the time block feature to monitor important deadlines. Regularly back up your data to ensure it is secure and protected against loss. Consider integrating third-party applications for enhanced functionality. Stay informed about data privacy and compliance standards relevant to your industry. Review and audit your data management practices periodically for continued security and efficiency. Utilize Airtable's support resources and community for best practices in troubleshooting. Regularly update and maintain your data management system to meet evolving needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.